Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a circle sticker on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print button and click to the stationery section. Scroll down and click to the circle sticker button under the diary option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add picture to your sticker, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva. Or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can find it. You can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and tap on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and edit the size. If you want to change the background color, just click to the color scar icon next to the design section and just select an outer color. But new, I don't change the background color. So that if you want to change the text, just click that, delete the text, write your text. And if you want to change the style of the text, click to the arrow next to the Better Saturday text type name. And here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and tap on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.